And ladies and gentlemen, to really set the agenda for what today entails, it is my absolute pleasure to invite onto the stage Shri Sumanta Datta, CEO of the ABP Network, to deliver the inaugural address. Welcome.
Namaste and good morning, friends. On behalf of ABP Network, it is my privilege to welcome all of you to the second edition of India 2047 Summit. Today we are really honored and deeply privileged to have with us leaders from across government, industry, media, entertainment, the public life, and innovators, technology leaders. We are all united by one important idea. How do we build the Bharat we aspire to see in 2047, our centenary year? 2047 is not just a date. It is an opportunity to build the Bharat we all aspire to. A Bharat that would have evolved from a country of potential to a country of self-sufficiency, prosperity, and a society that fosters a fearless pursuit of excellence everywhere and for everyone. Almost living true to Rabindranath Tagore's famous vision for his motherland, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. The world is changing rapidly. Global supply chains are shifting, technology is redefining industry, energy systems are being rebuilt and being upended. Artificial intelligence is transforming how societies function. At the same time, geopolitical disruptions and economic uncertainty are becoming a constant, almost everyday reality. And yet, amid all this change, we stand at a unique moment in our journey as a nation. The greatest strength of Bharat lies within us. It will be our capacity to leverage our diversity, our youth diaspora, and to facilitate the wider inclusion of women into the economy that will determine how far we reach in our aspirations as a nation. India's diversity is not a challenge to be overcome. It is our competitive advantage. It must be celebrated. Our diversity of languages, cultures, ideas create resilience and foster innovation and adaptability at scale few nations possess. As India becomes a truly developed nation, women will not merely participate in growth. They will lead it. Whether in entrepreneurship, science, governance, sports, finance, media, you name it, the rise of women will define the rise of India. At the same time, we must confront our challenges with honesty and seriousness. Energy security will remain critical for a growing economy of our scale. We must build sustainably while ensuring accessibility and affordability. We must prepare for a world where disruptions, economic, technological, geopolitical, are no longer temporary events, but recurring realities. And we must ensure that our models of artificial intelligence evolves responsibly, inclusively, and in a way that reflects India's needs and values. India should not simply import AI systems designed for other societies. We must help shape AI that understands our diversity, our languages, our scale, and our developmental priorities. Technology must empower people, not replace purpose. It must widen opportunity, not deepen inequality. As a media network, ABP has always believed that nation building begins with informed public conversation. For decades, in fact, a little over a century now, our role has not only been to report India's story, but also to help shape the dialogue around its future by bringing together voices, ideas, disagreements, and aspirations from every corner of the country. Our channels, ABP News, ABP Anando, ABP Majha, ABP Asmita, ABP Nad, ABP Desam, ABP Sanjha, ABP Ganga, and ABP Live are a celebration of our nation's diversity every single day and moment. Our platform, India 2047, is an effort to build a Bharat of the future that we all aspire to. A Bharat built on collaboration and a shared vision between government, policymakers, businesses, innovators, creators, and citizens. It challenges us to remain ambitious, inclusive, innovative, and responsible. Today, we will have the opportunity and the privilege to hear from thought leaders from each of the critical stakeholders across government, policy, business, innovators, creators, the doers, and most importantly, the women. Thank you, and welcome once again to India 2047.